If you've lost access to your Google Calendar account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, you can still regain access by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Google Account Recovery page. Go to the Google Account Recovery page by entering accounts.google.com/sign/recovery in your web browser. This is the starting point for recovering your account. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Google Calendar account. Make sure to use the correct address to ensure you're attempting to recover the right account. Step 3. Choose recovery options. When prompted, select the option that indicates you don't have access to your phone number. Google will then provide alternative recovery options, such as sending a verification code to your recovery email address. Step 4. Check your recovery email. If you have access to your recovery email, check it for a message from Google containing a verification code. Enter this code on the recovery page to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then follow the instructions to complete the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Google Calendar account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.